Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be talking on the basics of Forex. So exactly the kindergarten aspect of Forex. How did Forex start? Everything you need to know about Forex. So firstly, what is Forex? So foreign exchange, also known as Forex, is the process of changing one currency into another currency for a variety of reasons. Could be usually for commerce, for trading, for tourism, could be for a variety of so many other functions. However, we need to understand that the word Forex simply means foreign exchange, and it all involves changing a particular currency for another currency. So which means if I have a phone today and say my phone was imported, then definitely the Forex had actually taken place before I had that imported phone. So basically that's it about Forex. That's what the word actually means in itself. So the business we are involved in is not necessarily foreign exchange, because that would make us bureau de change. However, the business we are in as Forex traders is the business of trading Forex. And we also need to understand that Forex is the largest financial market in the world. And the financial market in the world that's the largest, which is the Forex market, trades an average of $5.3 trillion every day, which means every day the market opens, every given day, all through the year, the Forex market trades a minimum of $5.3 trillion. Next to the Forex market, the next biggest financial market will be the New York Stock Exchange, and that barely trades about 200 billion every day. So compared to the Forex market, you realize it's literally just a fraction of the overall Forex market. So definitely the Forex market is large enough for each and every one of us. And then Forex can be traded on almost any internet-enabled device. Today we have smartphones, we have smart TVs, we have PCs, that's personal computers, palm tops, laptops, and the likes. And I can assure you, Forex can actually be traded on most of these devices, whether you're using a MacBook or Windows PC or a Windows mobile or a Windows tab, an Android device, iOS, that's Apple OS. So whatsoever you're using, Forex can actually be traded on almost any device and almost all operating systems available today. And we also need to understand that the Forex market is open 24 hours every day for 5 days a week. And in truth, the market is actually open 7 days a week. The market never closes, because all through the world, there's always one currency being exchanged for another currency. However, our brokers actually do close every week. According to GMT plus 1, the brokers close by 10 p.m. on Friday nights, and they open by 10 p.m. on Sunday nights. So it's the brokers that actually close. The market itself is available 24 hours, 7 days a week. But for those of us who are Forex traders, the market is available to us 24 hours every day for 5 days a week. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much.